In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scary music in Soundation. We'll build a chilling track by focusing on slow pacing, dark scales, eerie textures, and a few well-placed jump scares. Keep your project open and follow along at your own pace. Start by setting the mood with tempo. Bring your BPM down to somewhere between 60 and 80. Slower tempos naturally create suspense because there's more space between events, which keeps listeners on edge. If you're unsure, try around 70 BPM and adjust later. For notes, stick to the C-sharp minor or the Locrian scale. Both lean dark, but Locrian is especially unstable and unsettling because of its diminished fifth. If theory isn't your thing, simply keep your melodies and chords to those scale notes and avoid big, cheerful intervals. Next, let's create an eerie atmosphere. Load the simple synth and search its presets for glass piano, chime pad, or dark atmos. These sounds are perfect for haunted textures, glassy, bell-like, and a little hollow. Play sparse notes rather than busy patterns. Long-held tones with lots of space between them feel mysterious and uneasy. Higher octaves can sound brittle and icy, while lower notes feel heavy and ominous, so try a blend. A slow, drifting arpeggio or a simple two-note motif repeated with small variations works beautifully here. Now add haunting layers that swell and loom. Load either the wavetable or the VA synth and browse presets like strings, drone, or screamer. The idea is to create a background presence that feels alive and a little threatening. Once you've picked a sound, add the reverb effect and turn the size and decay all the way up. This makes the synth feel like it's echoing through a massive abandoned hallway. Keep an ear on your levels so the reverb tail doesn't overpower everything. Let these parts move slowly. Sustained notes, gentle swells, and subtle pitch movement add tension without giving too much away. Finally, use jump scare percussion to shock the listener. In Beatmaker, resist the urge to build a steady loop. Instead, place a single, loud industrial kick or a deep tom every few measures in unexpected spots. The silence around those hits amplifies the impact. For extra creep factor, add the delay effect to a metallic snare or clap so it echoes into the distance like a ghostly rattle. Keep the echoes decaying gradually to avoid clutter while maintaining that chilling aftertaste. Put it all together and you've got a slow, shadowy soundscape with terrifying dynamics. Happy haunting and enjoy composing your scares in Soundation.